Today I'll be going over how to make false tiles in Kilobolt Android Studio. And what it looks like is it looks like normal tiles here, like you're gonna walk, and then you fall through and die. So in order to do this, we must have the map text and the tiles open. These are the main classes you'll be working in. And there's not really much to it, but in order to make the tile, you want to make a type and it has to be a one number because in the map text it shows up as one number only. And so I went with 3. And you go if else type 3, which means new rec, and it does something. So if type 3, tile image, tile grass top, which is the same as 8. And then we go down to check the collisions. So this is so you fall through. If type is not equal to 0, so anything other than 0, you would collide with and you will not fall through. And not equal to 3, which is the tile I made, so you would fall through. And that's basically it. And then you come here and you put what you want. So we'll delete this part, 8, and we'll put 3s. And then we'll run the game. It takes a second. So we go to start and we're running, and soon the false tile should, there we go. That is how you make false tiles in Kilobolt Android Studio.